There's not a lot of black farmers in Canada.
0.2%.
He is 100% committed to not just farming, but providing affordable, culturally preferred food.
So this is?
Cassava.
For Canada's Black, African, and Caribbean communities.
90% of the food that most Africans eat here in Canada still come from our country of origin. We are creating a new agricultural economy in Canada.
He started pre-pandemic.
It's pepper with our heirloom tomatoes.
But now with food insecurity concerns on the rise,
it's mind-boggling.
The founder of the Canadian Black Farmers Association is expanding.
This is our new commercial greenhouse.
Erecting a new greenhouse at his farm. The dirty little secret behind his operation, the soil.
So essentially you have created the soil that you find in Nigeria here in Mission.
Yeah, in Mission. That's the magic.
Magic, of course, includes manure, goat manure, and Toyin has lots in supply.
The manure, very, very good for what we are doing.
The proof is in the kitchen. He's making hay out of his surroundings, educating and offering hands-on training for others on how to get their start in the agricultural industry in Canada.
Seeing is believing. If I can sacrifice whatever I can to be able to show the people that this is viable.
He's a harvesting hero for BC's black community. He's also started an African foods food bank in Surrey. Toyin is a shining example of self-sufficiency during these uncertain times.
Let's grow this. Let's work together. Black food alone can bring so much economy to Canada. And the Canadian black people, African, Caribbean, they can have a very powerful, sustainable economy. And it will benefit everybody.
In Mission, Jason Pires, Global News.